Make toast just the way you like with the Sunbeam Wide Slot 4-slice toaster. This sleek black toaster features electronic toasting technology that delivers consistent, even results in extra wide slots that allow you to toast bagels, sliced bread, and all other types and sizes of bread. This bread toaster is equipped with turn knobs that offer 7 toast shade options from light to dark, as well as pre-programmed bagel setting. Separate toast controls allow simultaneous toasting at different settings. An anti-jam feature automatically shuts your toaster off in case of a jam for safe, hassle-free operation, while a convenient cancel button allows you to stop the toasting process at any time. A toast lift lever allows you to retrieve your food easily, and a removable crumb tray makes cleaning quick and easy. Built to North American electrical standards, the Sunbeam Wide Slot 4-slice toaster is backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dual controls on each side of the toaster. You can choose 2 different settings to simultaneously toast to different shades of browning. This 4-slice toaster also includes other features that make toasting easy and convenient, like extra wide slots, a bagel select button for toasting bagels, toast lift to elevate toasted slices, and a cancel button to immediately stop toasting. Number 2. Sleek, modern 4-slice toaster complements any kitchen decor. Number 3. Extra wide slots accommodate large items like bagels and hamburger buns. Number 4. Separate toast controls for simultaneous toasting at different settings. Number 5. Electronic toasting technology delivers consistent results every time. Number 6. Turn knobs to choose from 7 light to dark toast shade settings, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.